Hey Sid, this is Brandon with that free video I'm sending you. Going to cover three things in here to hopefully help you out in the future. You're probably wondering why I do this. I have found that business owners like yourself are pretty busy, and a lot of times hands-on, you just don't have the time to do this kind of thing, the know-how, or sometimes even the want to. So I provide this that hopefully at the end of it, you can see I kind of know what I'm talking about, and if you want to reach out, I can hopefully help you. So the three things I'm going to talk about and hopefully help you out with are first one being content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations, and the third thing is going to be backlinks and referring domains. So Google's got a lot of reasons as to how and why they rank people the way they do on Google. First one's going to be content. They're going to want to see 1,500 keywords or 1,500 words of content on there on your home page. And if we take a look at this, a lot of content on here. So go ahead and put some more content on here, and then stuff that content with keywords, relevant keywords to what you're trying to do for business. Milwaukee auto repair Milwaukee. And then if you have a special niche or a high ticket item that you like to focus on that brings in, more dollars to your pocket, make sure those relevant keywords are in that content. Another thing you're going to want to focus on, if you look up here into this box, you're going to see that your website's not secure. You're going to want to make sure that that gets fixed as well, so people aren't hesitant to even go onto this website. A lot of times, depending on what service you're using as well, the website won't even open because it's not secure. So you're going to want to take care of that as well. So hopefully that helps. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. And what a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, email address shows up in a local listing, whether it be Yellow Pages or White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. Anywhere all your information is in one spot, telling Google that you're a reputable business, that you are legitimate. The more of those you have out there, you know, that's going to get you in this map pack, is what they call it, top three businesses when you type something in. Um, Everything I'm telling you kind of snowballs, all goes together and is needed to get this, but citations is really the driving force behind getting on the map pack. So when I type in like auto repair Milwaukee, these three businesses pop up, and then you look down here and you'll see the organic searches. This guy up here, this Brett's Auto Repair, he's actually top of the map pack and he's top of the organic searches. So whoever's doing his stuff is they knows what he's doing. Um, and that brings me to my third thing, and that is backlinks and referring domains. And to take a look at that, I use a program called Ahrefs. Program out there, it actually costs about 500 bucks a month to use, but needed in our industry. If you take a look at your business here, Sid, you got 260 backlinks, 24 referring domains. What is a backlink? Well, it's any time that on a different website or platform there is a link on that page that if somebody clicks on it, it's going to refer them back to your website. So not all backlinks are created equal. We want to make sure that the backlinks you do have out there are actually informative and relevant to your industry. So we don't want to have any backlinks out there like to McDonald's or Taco Bell and things like that, because those are useless backlinks. Somebody clicks on that, goes to your website, they're not getting anything that they're really searching for. So I see 260 backlinks here, which is a lot of backlinks. For other people in your area in the industry. But what it's telling me over here is the power ratings, and this is on a scale of 100. Is there's really not a lot of power in the backlinks that you do have, which tells me that there's probably a lot of irrelevant or spammy backlinks on there. That could be to your website not being secure. Um, Organic keywords, so it's 42 keywords that Google's pulling on your content out of your homepage. Once again, once we beef that up, put some relevant keywords in there. That's going to be better for you. And then this kind of shows that 36 people are visiting your site monthly organically. So what I did was I went back to auto repair Milwaukee, I believe I typed in, and this Brett's Auto Repair being on the top, I put him into the Ahrefs tool that we have. And you can see he's got 138 backlinks, which is less than you, 48 referring domains, 214 keywords. So he's probably got a little less spammy backlinks. But the biggest thing for him, is the 456, people visiting his website versus, the 36 that you got. So he's got over 400 people a month, visiting his website. So, as you can see, being on that first page of Google, being up in that map section, is really helping him out quite a bit. So that's what we kind of want to focus on. You can imagine if you got 400 more people, taking a trip to your website, if that turns in, 2 or 3% of even those people, turning into clients, customers, um, that's going to do a lot for your bottom line. And that's ultimately why we're all in business, right? To make money and do better. So hopefully, Sid, you found these tips to be helpful. And I'm going to send this out via an email. I'd appreciate it if you just get back in touch with me, whether it's good feedback, bad feedback, if it was useful, if it was useless. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. So whatever you got, I would just appreciate you reach back out, let me know, and look forward to talking with you. Thanks, buddy.